Hello, let's try to solve another question from simultaneous equation. The question says, in 6 hours, Renu walks 6 kilometers more than Kopila walks in 3 hours. So let us assume Kopila can walk X kilometer in 3 hours. We also know that the distance traveled by Kopila in 3 hours, it takes Renu 6 hours. And she can walk 6 kilometers more than Kopila walks in 3 hours. It means in 6 hours Reni can walk. Since we know that in 6 kilometers Reni walks 6 kilometers more than Kopila walks in 3 hours, it means x is the distance Kopila walks in 3 hours plus 6. It means Renu can walk x plus 6 kilometer distance in 6 hours. So both their speed can be represented as x by 3 kilometer per hour. It means in 1 hour Kopila can walk x by 3 kilometer, and in 1 hour Renu can walk x plus 6 divided by x kilometer. These both are the representation of the speed in form of kilometer per hour. Also, the second part of question tells us in 8 hours Kopila walks 12 kilometer more than Renu walks in 9 hours. So let us say in 9 hours Renu can walk y kilometer, and in 8 hours Kopila walks 12 kilometer more. It means y plus 12, since in 8 hours Kopila walks 12 kilometer more than Renu walks in 9 hours. As we know that Renu walks y kilometer in 9 hours, in 8 hours Kopila walks 12 plus y kilometer. Once again, the speed of Renu in kilometer per hour we can write, since we know that Renu walks y kilometer in 9 hours. In 1 hour she walks y divided by 9 kilometers, so her speed is y by 9 kilometer per hour. Similarly, the speed of Kopila in kilometer per hour is y plus 12 divided by 8. It means in 1 kilometer Kopila walks y plus 12 divided by 8 kilometer. Now, when we look at these two parts carefully, these both are the distance traveled by Renu in 1 hour. So these two terms should be equal, since we know in 1 hour Renu covers x plus 6 divided by 6 kilometer, and also in 1 hour she covers y by 9 kilometers. So these both are distance covered by Renu in 1 hour, so these two should be equal. So on equating this two, we get our first equation. Also, x plus 3, x divided by 3 kilometer per hour is the distance Kopila covers in 1 kilometer. It means in 1 kilometer Kopila covers x by 3 kilometer, and also in 1 hour Kopila covers y plus 12 divided by 8 kilometers. So these two distance should be equal, as they both are the distance traveled by Kopila in 1 hour. So let us equate this. On equating this, we get x by 3 equal y plus 12 divided by 8, and this makes our second equation. Now let us solve our first equation by cross multiplication. What we get the value of y in terms of x, so y equals 3x plus 18 divided by 2. Now let us substitute the value of y over here in our second equation. On doing so, what we get is, so on substituting the value of y equals 3x plus 18 divided by 2, we get the value of x to be 18. We also know that the Kopila's speed in kilometer per hour is x by 3, and Renu's speed is x plus 6 by 6 kilometer. So let us substitute the value of x equals 18 over these two speeds. So on substitution, we got the value of Kopila's speed to be 6 km per hour and Renu's speed to be 4 km per hour. And yes, these are the speed of Kopila and Renu in kilometer per hour, and it's our answer. So I hope you got the concept, and yes, thanks for watching.